Time to restore my headlights using a Cerakote kit. It's 3 steps. Step 1, use a little pad, wipe off most of the oxidation. Should turn yellow as you're doing it. Step 2, take the red pad, sand it down after you wet it. Horizontal motion. Spray it off again. Go back with the green pad, do the same thing. Sand it while it's wet. And you let it dry. Move on to step 3. And it just wipes all that oxidation off. And final product. That's how they started off. And this is both of them after I finish. Let them dry. Now it just has to cure for an hour.